I am going to be doing a box opening with you guys, and all I've done is I have actually opened the box. I haven't actually taken it out. As you can see, it is a Singer sewing machine. I got this sewing machine at the Navy Exchange, and I paid $180 total. I did some research, and this runs about $200 before tax, so I got a great deal on the Singer. I have a sewing machine already, but I left it at my parents' house when I moved. And this one is definitely a major upgrade. It has a lot of the features that my sewing machine doesn't have. My portable one doesn't have. The one that is mounted in the cabinet that we actually inherited after my grandmother passed away has a few of the same similar stitches, but not quite as many. This one's also great because it tells you here that it's says that it's got a lot of the great features, and it says there's a 5-minute start, so it's a quick start guide included. It's got a stitch guide, when and how to use built-in stitches, machine intro video. It's a complete introduction to sewing machines, and anytime support, expert support for every sewer. And there's a lot more other stuff that comes with it too. It's got a panel here, which you can see in the photo, that allows you to choose which stitch, how big the stitch is, and things like that. It also comes with a bunch of attachments for button sewing, which is really good because I do want to get into becoming a seamstress and garment making and things like that. And to do that, a lot of stuff requires buttons. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. So we have a piece of cardboard. And then this is all of the information. So here's the CD, the information pamphlet. So I'll get into this a little bit later. So it's encased in a bunch of styrofoam. Here's the foot pedal and the cord to plug it in. That's the box. So it looks like that's the back. Ooh. I think it's the back side. So here's my sewing machine, and it has all the features. That's not good. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a little bit of inking here. And this is really sensitive, and I don't know if that's good or bad. I'm going to keep the box and everything and hope that everything works. Oops. And it tells you here how to thread. So you come over, through it, down. Two is here, around is 3, and then you have to catch this this little part here, which is 4, and then down. And through the eye. And then that comes off, and there's a little bobbin in here. And that just slides back under like so. Let's go ahead and get into the instructions, because I believe in here this is where all the extra feet are for the button sewing and things like that. We have the instruction manual, which looks like this. Picture of the machine, what type it is. Table of contents. Okay, so 6, the removable extension table and / accessory box. So, knowing your sewing machine. Okay, here we go, accessories. So you pull it out like that. Whoop! And there it all is. So, 14, what this is a buttonhole. This is a buttonhole, 14, buttonhole foot, and then all the extra pieces are in here. So here we have extra bobbin spools, which I'm actually going to pre-fill. Let's see here. This particular one is number 6. That's 6 there. And this is a spool pin cap. Oh, these are caps. These go on right here. And depending on the size of your spool, there's 3 different caps. Number 4. These are spool pin felt discs, which I'm guessing you put one here and one in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Put those on. Now I just use the normal thread spools, so I've got a few of the bigger ones, so, but I doubt I will need these two anytime soon. Put those in there, that can go in there. What else have we got in here? This little guy. This is 11. Okay, so this is a zipper foot. Okay. This is a darning and embroidery foot. This is an auxiliary spool pin. What's that? I don't know what that means, but I will. Not exactly sure where this piece goes, but I will figure that out. This piece right here is a straight stitch foot. I'm not sure what one this is on there. This particular one here, this is an overcast foot. This piece here is a gathering foot. This one, no, there's a lot of pieces in here that I'll have to just like line. This is the screwdriver for needle plate. Like, there's just so many pieces in here. There's extra needles. There's a cleaner, a brush cleaner, and a seam ripper. Like, there's just a lot of extra awesome little pieces in here, and I do plan on playing and showing you guys some of the things that I will make. You know, that's definitely a guarantee. I'll show you how I make things. So yeah, that is my new sewing machine. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular sewing machine, why I chose it, things like that, just let me know. And I'll see if I can answer them as best as I can. Until next time, bye guys.